guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today I am here with 7 quick methods on how to fix microphone not working Windows 10. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to notified when our new video lands. Solution 1. Restart Windows audio device. Make a right click on the Windows icon. And then click on Device Manager as you can see in the below image. Now, right-click on Microphone. And then select Disable Device. After disabling the device, enable the device, and this might fix the error. Solution 2. Test microphone Windows 10 settings. Click on the Windows button. And then click on Settings. A dialog box will open as shown in the image below, then click on Privacy. Now, click on Microphone. And then toggle the switch to on under the heading Allow apps to access your microphone. If you see microphone access for this device is off, then click the Change button. And then turn on Microsoft Access for this device. If your Allow apps to access your microphone is off, please toggle it to on. Solution 3. Set default recording device. Press the Windows logo key plus R in order to launch Run. Type Control Panel. And then press Enter or click OK. Click Hardware and Sound. Under the heading Sound, click on Manage Audio Devices. A dialog box will open, as you can see in the image below. Make sure that your microphone is tagged as the default device. Then click on OK. Solution 4. Update audio drivers. Follow these steps to do so. Press Windows key plus R to open Run command box. Now, type divmgm.msc in the text field. And hit Enter to open Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click on High Definition Audio Device. And select Update Driver. Select the second option, Browse My Computer for driver software. Windows will now search for and download any available audio driver update. Solution 5. Check the microphone volume. Here's how to do this in Windows 10. Select Start. Then select Settings, System, Sound. In Input, ensure your microphone is selected under Choose Your Input Device. Then select Device Properties. On the Levels tab of the Microphone Properties window, adjust the microphone and microphone boost sliders as needed, then select OK. Speak into your microphone while checking under Test your microphone to make sure your settings work. If you see the line moving from left to right, your microphone is working. If you see no change, the microphone is not picking up sound. Solution 6. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. A window will open as displayed in the image below. Click on Troubleshoot. And then select Additional Troubleshooters. After performing the above steps, a window will open, as shown in the image below. Locate and click on Speech. The troubleshooter will start looking for the errors, and when it finds them, then it will recommend the fixes for the same. Solution 7. Disable App Exclusive Control. Here are the steps to follow. Press Windows plus R from the keyboard. And type Control Panel. Click on OK as in the image below. A window will open. Click on Hardware and Sound. Under the heading Sound, click on Manage Audio Devices. A dialog box will open. Right-click on Microphone and then select the Properties button. Under the heading Exclusive Mode, make sure Allow applicants to take exclusive control of this device is unchecked. Now, you need to click on Apply and then select OK. Thanks for watching.